Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as promised last week, I did say I had a funny video coming and I went and bought the stuff. Also, like, it's Saturday. My hair is finally getting long enough that I can braid it again. Don't, like, you know, cumber me. It's just a Saturday video for fun. Not a beauty video. So, kind of a beauty video. So a few weeks ago, I was with my boyfriend and his mom, and we went to the store. We went to a store that I've never been to before, and it's called a Daiso store. It's like a Japanese like dollar store in a way, just like some really like cheap little trinkety things. And when I went in, I noticed that they had some interesting beauty products. So after that, I was kind of like really thinking like, like, this is interesting. So I went back today and I grabbed a few things and I'm gonna try them out for you today. All right, so I'm gonna go through what I got. The first thing is this cute little eyelash holder. It kind of shows you like, it kind of shows you up there. It's like just a little eyelash case. Honestly, I've been looking for a tiny eyelash holder and I found it there for like $1.50. Okay, the next thing that I got is this silicone gel puff with a sponge. This was a trend a few years ago where instead of using a beauty blender, you use like a silicone gel sponge. I never got onto that train, so I am interested to try this. The other thing that I got, and I don't know if it'll make it in this video or not, is some makeup. So they do sell LA Colors at the Daiso store. So I got a foundation and an LA Colors Cover Up Pro Conceal Stick. They did not have a lot of options. I do not know if these are gonna work. So TBD. Another thing that I got, and I have to say I'm really thankful that they do have a little bit of English, because I realized how hard it is to decipher what something is when you can't read it. Like, you're looking at it and you're just like, I have no clue. So these are double eyelid tape. They look like that. Thank God on the back there's like a little bit of English. It says that it works best on a double eyelid, like if you already have a double lid, which I do have a double lid, so I'm like, I just don't even know how to use these. So we're gonna learn. And then I have two other things that I'm actually really excited for. This thing. Okay, so you literally put it in your mouth and it says to train your mouth for 2 to 3 minutes a day. So it's like tighten up your cheeks, and I'm like, come at me, I'm ready. Last but not least, my sweet boyfriend is volunteering for this because I don't know how I could do this without somebody. It's a light up ear pick. This lights up at the tip and then you can like go into their ear and see all the wax. I don't think that you like can pull anything out. I think you can just look in it. So we're gonna try it on him and hopefully I don't bust his eardrum. So yeah. All right, so first up, I kind of want to try these little eyelid thingies because I literally have no clue how to use them. So I'm gonna try. Okay, so reading the instructions, it just tells you to like, I also have not used these like at all. I wanted genuine trial. It tells you to like use this little sticky thing in there to like peel it all off. It also says you can use these up to 50 times, which like, I mean, maybe if it's like sticky boobs. Also, it's just like layers of cardboard coming off. I cannot get into this thing. What the heck? Okay. Oh, I almost just cut the little sticky thing in there. Okay. So it comes with this weird little contraption. I don't know what that's for. Like, I guess we're gonna find out. The instructions are just very vague. Like, very vague. So now I'm pulling out the little double lid strips. Okay, so I think this is tape. Okay, that's tape. Oh wait, why do they all feel like that? Huh? Okay, so back to the little eyelid thingies. I just don't know. I just don't know what to do with them. But they tell you to use this little tool.
Like, how? This is hard. Oh.
I peeled this little wormy thing off. I'm gonna put a little bit on there. I guess my question is, what do you do with it? Do you like... Oh! Oh my god. Wait, what? I do not think I'm doing this right. Ugh. I'm gonna have to watch a video on this in a minute and we'll come back to this. Okay, so I just watched a YouTube video. Even though the one that I bought said it's better for people who already do have a double lid, I just don't think that it is. But technically you're supposed to find where your fold is, put it above your fold, and it's like gonna lift my eye or something. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. All it does is like crinkle my lid. Doesn't really do anything. Okay, so this is a freaking bust. This is not for people like me. Maybe I'll refilm this when I'm home for Christmas with my sister who has a hooded lid, because that is not working for your girl. So okay, so this is my man. This is Peter. He does not want to do this. He also hates when I mess with his ears. So oh my god. Oh god, you're just so hot in that, like right now. Okay, so we're doing the ear cleaning and Peter has a lot of freaking wax in his ears, so I cannot wait.
I am terrified because I know what you're gonna do with this thing, so.
Okay, apparently it comes with test batteries. So I ripped the little plastic thing out. You're supposed to...
What?
I think I broke it.
No, you didn't break it. That's probably removable.
No, I think you take this off. Oh, it's like a little nipple thing.
That's a light.
No,
this
but
thing
it's
comes
supposed
off.
to be in there.
Yeah, I know. It comes off so you can clean it.
So then I shove this back. But it looks like I broke it.
You didn't break it.
Ooh. It's like a baby lightsaber. Ooh, thank you with the hand. All right, welcome to my office.
Does that thing even work?
It's not supposed to really... Oh, it does have a little scrapey scrape.
Yeah, no, I know, but does the light even work?
Yeah. Ugh.
Easy. Easy, Morgan. It's not that much.
Well, because you said easy, I got scared.
Okay,
Let me
well,
go back in again.
Easy. Don't be pushing my earwax in like you always do.
You're a liar.
It's true.
It's hard because I feel like I have like no depth perception. Let me try this hand. Right, it's just like on the crusty edge. Wow. This thing works. Okay, well, that one is a winner. I will definitely go in on his other ear with this later. So thank you for coming on my channel.
You're very welcome.
Follow him at Sharky Pete.
No.
Okay, on to the next one. On to the finale. Okay, so we are going to go in with this bad boy. I just think it's as easy as it sounds. You just like that with your mouth. And it's supposed to chisel you like a goddess. All right, it's clean. Are you supposed to put the fat side? There's like a skinny side and a fat side. Hold the product between your lips with the longer arm on each end placed inside the mouth and the smaller arm on each end sticking outside the mouth. Thank you so much. Oh, God. I'm scared it's gonna choke me. I'm scared it's gonna like ricochet to the back of my mouth. Oh. My lips are fake. This is kind of hard. Oh God, I just don't think I'm doing it right. Okay. Okay. I'm so sorry. It does, like, I feel it like almost back here. This looks like an IUD or something. Like, I would not think to put this in my mouth, but this is hilarious. I am not mad at that, and that's a good time. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna try, I'm just gonna look at it and see if it's good quality, is the eyelash case. Okay, so it looks like a original Polly Pockets home, but it is not. Oh, okay. So it's just like this on the inside. Honestly, I think this is a win because normally when I travel, I take this with like where I left it and put them back in there to travel. So even though I don't carry like multiple packs of lashes at a time, or pairs of lashes I should say, this is a winner little noodle contraption thingy. So all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is a stupid fun video that I just thought I wanted to film, so I appreciate you guys so much for watching. My next video is going to be a Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial, so stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you next time.